So when I'm filming this, it's August 1st, and that is so exciting because it means it's time to do an empties video. I have so many more empties than I honestly thought I was going to have. It was like the middle of July, and I just thought, how haven't I really finished anything? But I was keeping my empties like here, there, and everywhere. And when I added them all up, I was like, I actually finished a lot more than I thought I was going to finish. So I finished quite a few things in the month of July, and let me share them with you. I know that August is going to be quite a hefty empties video because I have so many things that I only have like a use or two left on. So I'm excited for that. But let's get into everything that I finished in July. Just a reminder, I am trying to finish up as much as I can before November because I know in November I'm going to be bringing in new hair care, skincare, makeup, and things like that because of the Sephora VIB sale, because I'm getting married next year and I'm going to do a big haul. So let me share with you everything that I've been able to finish in the month of July. There's going to be no order to this. It's going to be whatever I grab. So the very first thing I want to talk about is the Calgon Ageless Bath Exfoliating Mineral Scrub. This made my skin so incredibly soft. I absolutely loved it. I need to get myself another one. I got it on sale, and I think I paid like $6.99 for it on sale, but it's originally like $8.99. This is the most affordable scrub at Shoppers Drug Mart. The Dove one is like 12 or 15 or more, and the Tree Hut is like 20. This is what I'm going to be getting from now on. If it goes on sale, the next time I go to pick things up, I'm going to get two. It was amazing. The only thing I didn't care for was it was really hard to get the bottom of the tub, but I just used one of my little spatulas and it worked good. The scent was good, the consistency was good, the texture was good. It scrubbed and exfoliated really, really well, and it actually worked. I miss it. I think it's been like 2 weeks since I've had a scrub, and I actually miss having a scrub, but I can make do for right now. But this is something that is going to be a staple in my shower routine, like this product, because it's affordable and it actually works, and I can get it really easy at Shoppers. So that was the first one. The second item I finished was a Bliss face razor. So I have tried so many face razors. I don't like this one. I've tried so many, and the only ones that actually work for me, they're called like Flawless Skin. They're pink and they're a little bit more expensive, but they work really, really well. They also have like a battery operated face razor that I might try, but this one here, did not like them. I've tried Bliss, I've tried Chic Intuition, didn't like those. I tried some from Amazon, I tried some from Winners. Like, I have tried so many, and my skin is so sensitive. The only ones that it actually likes is the Flawless ones, which I think that's what it's called. So I'm going to pick more of those up. I need to pick more of those up. I have just been trying to hold off on picking them up until like the middle of August, early September, when I do a little drugstore haul. So for the meantime, I have no more face razors. I finished this one gladly. I almost wanted to throw them out, but I just said I'm going to try and make it work. So I lathered on a bunch of moisturizer and I used them, and this was the last one, and I'm done. I didn't like it. I wouldn't get them again. The next item I finished was the Dove Go Fresh Beauty Bar. So I finished this one here. This was an older bar, so I don't think it was the greatest anymore, but I finished it. It's like a regular soap bar. I love bars of soap, especially the ones that I could get from like markets, from like smaller businesses. I just love bar soaps. So I finished that one, and I am almost done another bar soap. And then I have some Bath & Body Works soaps, like bar soaps, that I'm going to try, which I'm so excited for. And I also have a gel body wash. So I've got a lot of soaps I got to go through, but I finished that one. It's just a regular Dove one. It was okay. The next item I finished, which I don't remember if I included in the last video, I did finish it up in June, but I actually cut the top off and I had like 2 more weeks left of it, and I finished it completely in July. So this is the Oat Cleansing Balm by the Empties. My face actually misses this stuff. Again, I'm just trying to hold off on some of the skincare until the sale, but I did pick up one from La Roche-Posay, and I've only used it once, so I don't really have a lot of thought on it, but I really miss this. It just cleansed my face really nicely. It exfoliated without being too harsh, and then the next morning I'd wake up and my skin was so hydrated. It knew it used this. Like, I think I've purchased this like 4 times. I need another one. The next one I finished was the Thera Breath in Icy Mint. So I have actually used the pink, the blue, and the green. The green is horrible. It's horrible. It's no good. This one here, absolutely love. I actually picked up the big bottle of it. We flew through this one in a month. So these are amazing. If you have sensitive teeth, they work really well. It doesn't burn your mouth, but it feels like it cleans. And that's the thing. A lot of people say they don't like ones that you can't feel burning because it doesn't clean. But this one, I feel like it doesn't burn, but you feel that cleaning to it, if that makes any sense. The flavor's good. It works really well. It is a little bit more expensive, but in my opinion, I honestly don't mind paying for it, because we actually use it, where with other ones, they just sit. So love this one. This is the only mouthwash we get now, because I've went back to others because they're affordable or on sale. We don't use them. This is the only one that we actually like use. I like the pink, I like that one, the blue one, and I'd love to try the like dazzling one. I think it's like whitening. I'd like to try it, but I will never get the green again. So this is the Acai Berry Bath & Body Works Foaming Hand Soap. I wish I picked up more of these because this scent is like a 15 out of 10. It smells so good. I am so incredibly sad that we are done with this one. I went on Bath & Body Works to see if they have anything like lotion, candles, anything in this scent, and they don't anymore. So if you know if this is like a seasonal scent or if they bring it back, let me know, please, because this was my absolute favorite. I would even get like a car air freshener. Like, I loved this scent. My fiance loved this scent, and he's like, can we get more? And I said, no, I got it on sale. I don't know if they do it again. Yeah, this one, I love it. Right now we're using Strawberry Pound Cake, and it smells really good. We're also using Watermelon Lemonade, which smells nice. We had like Sunday self-care, did not like it. Gave it to my mother-in-law. We only used it twice. We didn't like it. This one, we literally went through this one in 6 weeks. We just love it. It just smells so good. I don't even want to like recycle this because it just smells so good. Okay, the next item is the Essence Lip Balm. So if you watch my Project Pan, you know that this was thrown into my Project Pan to finish, and I finished like 95% of this. It is expired. Like, it is gross. It smells bad. It tastes bad. It doesn't look good. It doesn't feel good. When I take the product out of the tube now, it literally is just chunky. It's gross. So I finished this, literally 96% of it. I'm really happy with that. And I have moved on to another lip item to focus on in my Project Pan, but I finished the lip balm. That's good for me. I also have a Bic razor. I have so many razors that I need to go through before I start trying to do at-home waxing. I bought a pack of face razors from Chic Intuition. They were no good. Like, they were just no good. So I reached out to them, and they were kind enough to send me coupons. And I've been buying body razors, and I have like 20 plus razors now. I have so many. So I'm trying to get through my razors so that I can start trying to find like wax that works for my skin. But anyway, I finished one razor. I also finished a facial serum. This is from a small company, and it was nice. The only thing is I prefer to use this on like my neck, my chest, my hands, my feet. The reason why is because for my face, it was just a little too tacky, and I like things that like really sink into my skin and are not too heavy. But I know some people do like tackier skincare, so I know some people would probably love this. The scent of it was to die for. Like, it smelled so good. And it really did help with hydrating the skin, because on my chest, my neck, my hands, my feet, it worked really, really well. It's just a texture thing for myself personally. So this I ended up finishing. I loved the packaging. I really liked it. I do need to go visit her booth or purchase from her website some soaps or like body scrubs. Actually, that was who I finished the body oil from. I really love her products a lot. They smell so good. I have 3 other products. Well, I have 2 empties and then 1 is going to be a declutter. So I actually finished a whole thing of Colgate floss. Yes, it's an empty. I'm putting it in here because it's an empty. I actually really, really liked this floss. I find it hard to find like good floss, but I liked this one. So we finished it. And then this was a shower steamer from a small business. I liked it. It lasted a good amount of time. Like it wasn't like I put it in the shower and then it just dissolved. It actually lasted a whole like shower, like a whole everything shower. The only thing with this was it was in the scent eucalyptus, and I am not good with a lot of essential oils, especially eucalyptus. So I feel like it kind of just threw my senses off for the day. So I wouldn't repurchase that in that scent, but I would consider repurchasing it in a different type of scent. And then the last item that I'm decluttering is going to be this Tarte foundation. It is in the shade Light Fair, and it is honestly just way too deep for my skin tone. I purchased this during the sale in the winter, and I thought for sure this would work for me in the summer. It's August. I am nowhere near this shade, and I will not be near this shade. I tried to make it work. I tried to blend it with like concealers and a foundation, and it wasn't working. My sister has so many events coming up, and she was actually looking to go and purchase makeup. So I just said, you know what? This is her shade. She might as well have it because it's not going to work for me. So I'm going to be doing a little declutter and decluttering this. And if you watch my Project Pan, she's probably going to be getting an eyeshadow palette soon and also a setting spray soon. So those 3 will probably be ruled out of my collection as well. I don't know if I'm going to have those 2 products for August's empties / declutters because I might just give them to her. But for right now, I just decided this is gonna go. So those are my empty products. I am so excited that I was able to finish up that many products. I honestly didn't think I was gonna be able to finish that many products, so I'm really happy that I did. Let me know if you guys finished anything in the month of July. Like I said, August is going to be a really big month because I know that there's going to be so many empty products. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you guys enjoy empties, project panning, minimal makeup hauls, and low buys, and everything like that. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!